Don't video it.
Ah!
He's dead.
He's dead, right?
Why are you videotaping?
Because I was trying to get it open while y'all were still going. Cause
Okay, let's do a one-on-one match. Right hand only.
What's not?
Left hand only.
Both hands only.
Both hands only? Okay.
David, lose again!
Not fair!
Football! Oh! I didn't hit that. I just squeezed myself small. I need to dump my head. And go slowly like this. So I won't.
Hands back.
Oh. Can't get that football.
in a minute, Ben.
Football.
I'll get it in a minute.
Football. And like that there.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
How's your feeling, Sandra?
Ben, you can have it back in a minute. Once they're done.
This is getting repetitive.
It's my football. What did you? I got it with for you. I want to see, look. I can see them. Whoa. I can see my TV.
This is like massive derpiness.
It's a derp fest.
David's behind the autograph.
That's your move. Well, yes, you're going to go shower tonight. You need to hurry and get it.
I got dust off you. Dust off you. Hey, I got the dust off David's shirt.
I'm not sure what I do.
I put the dust on it.
I don't know.
It's hard.
Kaylee, what do you say?
I couldn't really see it
Yeah,
from
it
this
was behind
angle.
my shoulder and we were just both like,
Okay,
yeah.
let's start back where we were.
David. David.
What?
I got the dust off the shirt.
Thank you. That was my turn.
Yeah.
It was Olivia's.
I cleaned up the scrappers because it was dirty.
Okay, good job then.
Yeah.
This time. I think recall me winning the last 2 times.